4-digit number square. So let me show you how to find out the squares for any 4-digit number. So for this you already previous knowledge about how to multiply with 4 digit by 1 digit. So you need to be able to do 4 by 1 number problems. Then you can make it easy. So let me show you that first. Instead of multiplying same 4-digit number with same, let us have knowledge about the numbers multiplying with 4 digit by 1. For example, 4867 to multiply with 9 with 1 digit. Now this one we can break down into two parts and we can do. For example, 4867. This is 4867. So if you make into two parts, this you can write 4800 plus 67. So 2 digit by 1 digit. Instead of multiplying this directly, we can take separately 9 into 48 and 9 into 67. This is also one of the method. So this concept we applied. Previous already learned, just repeating again. 9 into 48. So 48 2 digit by 1 digit. You already practiced previous chapters. I am not going through clearly again. Just 9 into 48 is a 432. You keep two zeros attached. Similarly 9 into 67. 2 digit by 1 digit multiplication. You already perfect. That one you should add to this. 603. Right? If you add same 43803. 43,803. This method you already learned and you need to practice this first. Then only you can apply the 4-digit number squares. Let us see one more example and we'll go for that method. Okay, for example, 2,781 multiply with 4. So what technique will follow? Just 27 plus 81. So 2700 plus 81. You need not to write, just you can keep in mind and internally separately add. That is 27. We should multiply with 4, right? Similarly, same 4 into 81. We'll add this both. So 27 into 4, 108. 00 plus again 81 into 4 is 324. Now this already practiced 2 digit by 1 digit multiplications. So if you add, that is 11, 1, 2, 4. 4, 2, 1 carry. Okay, 11,124. So if you are perfect this, if you master in this above concept, now let us have an idea about this square. Okay, see once. Let me take one number. Okay, 4,267. Okay, randomly took one number. Now I need to find out the square of this. To find out the square of this number, same how we did 3-digit number squares, same concept will apply. We'll take in two parts. 267. So should take this minus 267 and plus 267. Once you can add and we'll subtract. This is the concept, same concept. 4,267. This extra 267, add and subtract. Okay, if you do add and subtracting, one side will get just only 4,000, right? And another side is 4,267 plus 267. So 4,267 plus 267 is 534. So 4,534 and this is 4,000. So why I gave this in starting is 4 digit by 1 digit, same here. 4,534 should multiply with 4. So further this concept you need to practice before only 4 digit number. So next, this into this 4,534 into 4. Yeah, same what concept you applied, same way you can do. That is I've done this, got the answer 18136. 4,534 into 4. 4-digit number by 1-digit multiplication. There are 3 zeros. Okay, this is extra one more. Yeah, completely can add. Into 4,000. You can keep the 2 zeros. 3 as this. Next. Okay, up to here 4,534 into 4 is 18,136. Because of 3 zeros, no? 3 zeros we kept. Next, our method is we learn already previous, that is which is the plus or minus that number square, that is 267 square we should find out. For that one we need to add for this 267 square we'll add, and the total is the square root of this. Okay, this is the previous is 4534 into 4 and 3 zeros attaching. Okay, now if you notice 267 square, 267 square already we did previous 3 digit number squares, so same concept. So let me show here. Same, if you take 267 square I need to find out. So for this what method we followed, just will take same like we did previous, plus 60. Okay, near to this round figure is 300. For 300 is 33 less than 33 minus, you take plus 33 minus 33. Okay, see here, so this is 300. 267 minus 33 is 234. Then we can multiply this. Same, 300 into 234, 70,200, because single digit. 234 into 3, 70200, plus 33 square. 33 square is 1089, right? This already we learned previous. This is the 33 square value, and this is 234 into 300 value. So by adding this both, 71,289, right? 71,289 that we need to add for this. Same, 71,289. Just by adding, we'll get the square root for this number. Just by adding this both, then we'll get the square root for this. So that concept only will apply. So similar, the sum of these two numbers is just, you can add this 9, 8 and 2, 7, 10, 2, 8, 1. This is the square root of 4,267. Okay, this is the concept already, because you have perfect 3 digit number squares. Okay, and one more main thing, same concept, which is plus or minus, that we need to proceed for this. Okay, so okay, this is the 4 digit number. First you practice with single digit with 4 digit number, then you can apply this concept. Okay, this maybe it will need practice more. Next, let me show you some 3 digit by 2 digit number multiplication in different methods.